Welcome to 7121 Stahov Avenue in Westminster. This property is being sold out of a full authority probate. This is actually the second property we sell out of the estate. And again, it's a full authority probate, meaning that we do not have to go to court to confirm the sale.
So after helping more than 300 families in probate since 2011, the first thing we notice when families invite us over to the property is a lot of times they think that their property only qualifies for a cash offer. And so what Marcos and I tell our clients is, look, have us walk through the property, we'll take a look, and then we can quickly determine if the property only qualifies for cash offers or if there are minor things you can do. For example, in this one, we noticed all they needed to do to qualify for a financed offer is to have the water heater strap and to install a furnace, and it enables the seller to sell the property to a first-time home buyer or an investor that's looking for a rental property but does not have all of the cash to pay for it. You see, when you sell a property to just cash investors, those people are typically bringing offers 80 cents, 70 cents to the dollar. When you're selling a property to a end user, like someone that's gonna live in it or someone that's gonna buy a rental property, they pay market value. With this particular estate, we pinpointed these two key items out, and now we were actually able to sell it to an investor that's gonna use this property as a rental. For this particular property, the three items the seller needed to repair was 1, the central furnace, 2, install smoke detectors and carbon monoxide, and 3, to double strap the water heater, which then enabled the seller to sell the home to a financed buyer. When you're ready to sell your property in probate, don't hesitate, give us a call. We've helped more than 300 families go through the process. Our number is below.